Good morning. I wake up today and it is still raining a bit. I cannot go to my garden, so I decided I'm going to do my sewing instead. Like, my matching jacket, color, and texture. It's a denim fabric, and I alter a garment, to keep myself busy. There are many things a person can do. Look at your garment, and just to pass the time, do something. And I hem up a pair of pants that I am not using anymore. And because it's summertime, instead of buying another garment, I just cut up the hem or take up the hem of an old pants so that I can use, I save money by recycling my clothes. Yeah, oh, I like to read something to you today. This is about focusing on your own life, how you speak, how you manage your own daily life. Focus on choosing peace. No, don't make enemies, Being mindful at all times. Like what you say, watch what you do, how you move around, how you conduct yourself. That's self-management. Stop. Let go of what you cannot change. What you cannot tolerate even. Things you cannot do anything. Sometimes there are things that just cannot be solved, and let time do its work. Time is a good healer, all right? Life is a process. It's a long journey. There are still things we don't know about, and we can learn while we are waiting for something to change, or while we are waiting for things to happen. That's what it is. Life is a long journey. It's a circle of happiness, relationship, financial responsibilities, duties, work, problems and difficulties. They come and go while we are solving what is happening or difficult things that's happening in front of us. Come and go. They are come and go. It changes. Stay grounded no matter what is happening at the moment. Like the rain. Rain comes and goes. Even when everybody is asleep or sound asleep in bed. Alright, stay grounded. Don't worry when it's raining. Don't worry when there is a cyclone. Sit still. Stay grounded. Everything changes. I bought this for my sister-in-law. See how it's beautiful. It's just it's a memento. It's nothing valuable. It's like a bubble gum. All right. Remember? Oh, what's this one? Remember, always stay grounded. And if everything is a bit difficult, it's just like the clouds. Behind the dark clouds, there's a silver lining, and the sun will come out. And this is not permanent. All right. What else is here? Socrates, the famous philosopher, believed that wisdom begins with admitting we don't know everything and little we know about living our life. So don't worry, let it go. I wish you a good day, and I'm going to continue with my sewing. Sewing is a skill, and this is my pastime. You know, I cannot go in the garden. Find something to do, grow a garden. You know, instead of worrying, do something, grow a garden. And life changes, focus on your life. Don't focus on other people's life, focus on your life. That's what you do. All right, I'll let you go and you have a good day, all right?